The so-called YouTube gurus will tell you to pick a niche and stay in it. They'll say you need to do this to maximize the algorithm or whatever other BS. And that may or may not be true, but honestly, I'm done with it. I'm not a one-dimensional being that only has interest in woodworking. I love gardening, natural history, motorcycles, all kinds of stuff. And I'm not going to make a separate YouTube channel for each of my interests. I'm going to start posting more gardening and plant content, more history content, more motorcycle stuff, all on this channel. And I don't care what the algorithm does or what the so-called YouTube experts have to say about it. Those dudes are all just guessing anyways. Trying to limit my content to only one topic feels like a self-imposed mental prison, eroding my desire to even make content. I have a lot of ideas for content on my drawing board that are not woodworking related, and they all excite me to be able to share them. I'm still going to do my woodshop live streams and woodworking content. I really do enjoy those. But at the same time, I'm going to post about cool plants that I love, bits of history I find interesting, or whatever else I feel like sharing with the world. And I hope y'all enjoy the journey with me. So if you like plants, gardening, woodworking, motorcycles, history, armchair philosophy, hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride.